Alright, I'll let you look at the ground here while I'm talking for a minute. We've got a ton of rain. And that's a little, I don't know what that is, it's threaded up here. But we got a ton of rain, and where I found those arrowheads, like here over the last week after a couple days ago, is under 10 foot of water right now. It's just, everything's flooded out. I got lucky, I only had a week to look, but I came up here because of the rain to look all this stuff. And right there's a Christensen brick marble, it looks like, and that's a $60 marble. Oh, it's what it is. It's a Christensen agate brick, and this size is worth 60 bucks. And I found a shooter of it up here, and it's worth 600, but that's meant price God value, so you know it'd be less than that, but still valuable. Let me get this waped off and I'll show you, and then I'll continue to surface hunt with you and see if we can't find something live later. Alright, this is just awesome. It has the classic 6 or 9 on that end with a little bit different color clear base on that brick. Man, that's just awesome. That's just phew. I'll look around here. Let me get this in my pocket so I don't lose it. And let's walk down through here and see if we can't eyeball anything here on the sides of these hills. I found a lot of coins on days like today. Like a lot. In the past, hopefully we can find some coins laying out. They were all pennies, usually surface hunting. But I found a few silver coins up here. Let's see. Can't see anything else right in here. But that doesn't mean there's not lots of stuff. The sides of these hills and stuff like this are good spots. If I don't see nothing here in a minute, I'll turn this off and I will save you the time till I find something. Oh, right when I say that, look at this. Do you see it? There's another marble laying right there. Look at that, folks. Oh, it's nice. It's a nice one. Look at that. Wow. It's even got some green in it over here. It's like a Christmas one. Look, it's got green. There. Huh. Put that one in my pocket too. That's worth the trip right there. Coming up here. That Christensen agate brick marble is just amazing. And that marble there is nice, so I'll have to climb up there with the camera off and look that slip. And see if I can't find some cool stuff today. It'd be nice. Maybe I'll get lucky again this month. I've had a real good month. Look here. There's an army man. Look at that. It's an army man. And look here. There's a handle off of a pistol and it's all there. And look there. There's a gun. Huh. That's off some kind of old Mark's playset. That's cool. Alright, I shouldn't even have turned that off. I got to looking in here. I already picked this up. Couldn't tell what it is, but I got a really unique shaped token. Oh, and look here. I didn't even see that. That's a dog tag for sure. Look at this. 1958 dog, Monroe County, Ohio. And I have a 59, I think, from up here. All right. Plus, look here. It says, well, I'll clean this up. Redeem at 10 cents, Procter & Gamble. Huh. And it says free something, oxy. It must be for free medicine. That's awesome. I'll get this cleaned up and show better pictures. Wow, right in this hole. I'm gonna have to look around real good today. Later. just stuff laying everywhere after these rains washed off. I got another marble. It'll be the third one of this trip. See if you see it. Right in here. It just looks like an average cat eye, but it's still nice to find these. It's a nice cat eye. I'll show you some pictures of whatever I find today. I'm gonna rake around a little bit too. But this looks good. There's potential everywhere to see just a smoker of a marble or a coin or a token, a gold ring, a gold watch, a silver watch. It's just, you never know. I'm just standing here staring at this stuff, looking for marbles and coins and stuff. I have stand in one place in areas like this for a while and look at all real good. But you see it? Man, it must have fell down out of the top. Look right here. Another nice marble. Oh man, this is a smoker. Let me get it cleaned off later. Alright, this is the fourth marble of the trip, plus a token, plus a dog tag from the late 50s. And this is a clear base, green and emerald green swirl. You can see clear into the marble. I love it. What a Christmas present. And right there is just a ground off panel that there isn't any doubt what it is. It's 100%. So this is a handmade marble. Couldn't ask for a better month. Look at that beauty. Thanks for watching, folks. I'm glad I'm being able to share this with you. And look at, I haven't looked none of this over in here. So I'm gonna find some more stuff later. Well, I see another marble, but I picked this up and messed up and didn't film myself picking it up off the ground. I thought it was a piece of plastic, but it is not. You can see around here, this is at minimum gold gilt on this, and that's a piece of cut turquoise, and that's out of a ring or something. You can see the back. I think it's gold gilt, but I can't tell. And it looks like it says something. But that's turquoise. Another good find. I'll put up pictures of this stuff. It's definitely a stone. But I got a marble too. While I was cleaning that off, I was looking at this and I see one. Do you see it? It looks like a daggone nice one. I'll give you a second because I'm eyeballing all around me here to see if I see anything else. It's the best surface hunting ever up here. Right here. Oh, folks, look at this. Blue patch on that. Oh, this is nice, folks. I'll show you here in a second. Later. Wow, let's just look at that. You can see, I don't even have to hold it up to the light. Look at that, folks. That's just sick nice. Completely clear in the middle with all that color on the outside. Baby blue, turquoise, going into white and green. It's almost like a greenish pop bottle base. Just awesome. Amazing. I'm gonna look around later. Oh, do you see what I see? I see like a crown. It looks like it's gold gilt. It looks like it has sets missing, but right here. Oh, look at that. It's got a set in it. Oh, it's probably just costume jewelry, but that's cool. Later. Man, that's surprisingly good shape for coming out of a ash layer. It says Dome Top Coffee, and it's iron. It must have been laying like that under that ledge. That's old, 40s probably. Later. Alright, I'm raking a little bit. I can't see real good, but I think I got a Daymaker marble. I got some nice ones already, but this one will just add to them and make the day worth it. Most of the stuff I found surface hunting, but see if you see it there. It's right here. Oh man, look at that beauty. I'll get it cleaned off later. Wow, look at that like ghost patch on that side, a big white. Wow, and it's just on the surface and it's all, look at that, folks. That's just beautiful cobalt blue, and the condition's exceptional. Man, I'm having a good day. I got all the marbles I found are nice. Later, folks. I'll show you pictures. Alright, I raked out another marble back in there. Had some of that dirt just caved in on it. It's right here. It's a real nice green cat eye. It's just a $1 or $2 marble. Not as nice as some of the other ones, but still nice condition and vintage, so a good find. Later. I got a marble way back in here in the hole. Fell down out of the wall. It looks like a real nice one. Hopefully I can sneak in here and this won't cave in. Grab it real quick. Right there. Let me get out of here. Me and I'm on the marbles. I've never found them in this spot. It's close to, oh, it's one of these. Another one of these clear base ones with the blue patch on it. I'll get it cleaned off. It's beautiful. Later. I guess it's going to be another marble video. Look at that beauty. All clear in that white. You can see all the way through it with a baby blue patch. Look at that. Wow, that's another beauty. Got a whole pocket full, folks. Later. Alright, I just got this little blue glass jar. You know, that's like $1 item. A spoon. But I got a marble. See if you see it there. Raked it out back in there. Right here. Ooh. I think it's one of these Persian turquoise Christensen agate. I'm almost positive that's what it is. Let me get it cleaned off. Later. Alright, it's baby blue with a little darker swirl through it. That's beautiful, beautiful condition. Another nice one. Later. Oh man, face, I'm having a good day. I just rigged something awesome out. See if you see it. Wow. I think it's an emblem off a car. It sure looks like it. Oh, and it's even got glass inlay. Oh, look at that. Wow. Let me get this cleaned off. Later. Alright, folks. It says Dodge Brothers. It's got gold gilt. It's got like a Jewish type star there. Star of David, maybe that's what that's called. I don't know. I'm not Jewish, but that is awesome, folks. Wow. Oh, man. Later, folks.